Now Burkina Faso, careful ya. Infrastructural development this Ibrahim Traore, the Robertan Oboda, the SS. Like the man now every day. Water. So the man now for another infrastructure. So then in the side they for another one and so Oboda is massively growing. The electric car. Okay, for the electric car. This is the electric car. So Oboda Maka, but okay, the man now trying the infrastructure. That doesn't mean that na all Jupiter na Burkina Faso mba. All other na Burkina Faso. No, join me business. You don't want to go give ya. Mal business actually me. And then na be maloney na deputy. Ibale bu victim of nda nebu madu wayo. So abuli umunne biko. Watch you know, click the link in the comment section. He will watch the video. Drop on my YouTube. Can see where that is Burkina Faso. Can my bio click here or in the comment section. Here I put the link. Can see where that Burkina Faso. Oboda Maka.